Alright, hello again YouTube. I'm actually making a quick video here of a beacon that been sitting on my rack probably for about a half a year. Did a quick cleanup on it, got it spinning again, and so on and so forth, got it working. It's a Federal Signal Junior Beacon Ray Model 15. See if I can get you a better close-up of this tag. It does not currently have the correct bulb in it. That's an 1195 bulb. I know that the bulb that Federal used is more of a globe bulb. Off the top of my head, I'm not quite sure what the bulb model number is per se. I think I have it written down. I'm just trying to see if I can hunt and find it. But I actually wanted to make a quick little video of this just because I think this is a really, really neat light. The really interesting thing is the condition of the dome itself. That is a glass dome, and this dome, if I can get a really good picture of it, if you look at it, is literally pristine. I'm actually kind of blown away as to how it came out. For those of you that have domes that are not really damaged, no like deep scratching or basically maybe some paint swaps, try some quadruple zero steel wool. It does wonders. This one here had some rubbing marks, kind of like what you see on the bottom on the actual base. That stuff came off almost immediately. I also used the quadruple zero steel wool on the base of this. Now this could go a little bit better. As you can see, I probably can take it a little bit further. But considering where this thing started and where it is now, this light is in night and day different conditions. So beyond that, let's talk about what I wanted to talk about this light, since I figured I'd just bring it up since a lot of people ask about different type of lighting, and this might be interesting. So this again is a Federal Signal Junior Beacon Ray. It's a Model 15. Since it's impossible for me to actually get the serial number on this light with this camera because the serial number is a little bit worn, the serial number reads as follows: 2, A is an alpha, 16, A is an alpha, and the number 2. Now decoding that puts me at a build date of, looks to be 1962. The A, I believe, is January. So it's a January light, 1962, as the wind does not want to cooperate with me here. Decoding that number itself is actually not that difficult. Many thanks to an ELB member by the name of Stan's DDS. He actually has a link on the website that's in the favorites area, or if you want to call it pinned, that actually gives you the decoding for many of the different beacon rays. So this light literally is 12 volts. If I actually decode that number, and I'm gonna let the wind run with that now because I want to read this as well. So if we decode that serial number, as I was talking about before, the 2 means 12 volts. The A is a build date between 1958 and 1969. The 16 means it's a magnetic mount built between 61 and 1976. A is January, and 2 means 1962. So basically it's January 1962, going by the different other letters in that serial number. Other than that, as you see it is how it was worked, or how I received it, other than just a cleanup of the dome itself and a little bit of work on the base. The nice thing is that I do know the history of this light. This light was actually in use recently, up until about 3 years ago. A retired fire chief down near Philadelphia was actually still using this light. When he passed, his son basically gave me this light. Now I'm not going to lie, it was given to me primarily due to the fact that the light was not working properly, and he knew he wanted to go to a good home. So this is not a light that I plan on selling. I just thought this light was really interesting. I figured I'd make a quick video on it. The wind is kind of cooperating and kind of not cooperating, so I apologize for the wind blowing around my blanket. But that's it in a nutshell. I mean, as you can see, it works pretty well. You can see the glass hemispheres inside the cage assembly, and if I get above it, you can kind of see how that works too, where the cage is actually spinning around the 1195 bulb. Other than that, it's pretty solid. Hope you enjoyed it.